Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to show the about phone of the Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Motorola One. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the system. And okay guys, click the system. And okay guys, here in system, scroll down again and you can see below the about phone. And okay guys, click the about phone. And okay guys, you can see the status, model, super channel, hardware information, the Android version of this Motorola One, Android security patch level, baseband version, kernel version, and build number. And okay guys, that's it. And okay, we have successfully showed the about phone of your Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.